Are you wanting to live on the city fringe and the only thing in your price range is drafty villas and do-ups? Or maybe 12B School Road is for you. This contemporary townhouse is sunny and bright and set on the northwestern slopes of Kingsland. My name's Tim Hawes, I'm from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I am super proud to take you on the tour. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there's plenty of room for all the family to spread out in this lovely home. The living spills out to west-facing gardens, perfect for entertaining, and enough room for the trampoline and the kids to play. The entire property is incredibly low maintenance, which is perfect for busy, modern lifestyles, and the address certainly needs no introduction. The new developments at the Morningside Precinct and Kingsland Village are only a minutes away with their dazzling array of wining, dining and entertaining options. Simple, easy and in a great location. If you're looking to get into the inner city suburbs, then 12B School Road could be for you. Make sure you come along on the weekend, we look forward to seeing you there.